Bubul's Big Christmas Day. The Durga Puja festival was over, but Bubul's heart was still full of happy memories. Now, a new kind of magic was in the air. He woke up with a big smile. Christmas is almost here, he whispered to himself. He couldn't wait to see the beautiful Christmas tree. He quickly got dressed and ran to the phone. I have to call Jontu and Mina, he said. He wanted to invite them over to help decorate the house for Christmas. Jontu answered first. Let's all help decorate the Christmas tree together. Jontu suggested, we can hang the shiny ornaments and the twinkling lights. Next, Bubul called Mina. That's a wonderful idea, she said. I'll bring my favorite star ornament, and we can put it on top of the tree. Soon, Jontu and Mina arrived at Bubul's house. They were all ready to decorate. Bubul's mother, Rita, had a box of ornaments ready for them. The friends worked together to hang the colorful ornaments. Bubul carefully placed a red ball, while Jontu hung a silver bell. The tree was starting to look very festive. Mina put her special star on the very top of the tree. Bubul's father, Dhruba, helped her reach. The tree sparkled with all the lights and decorations. After all the decorating was done, Bubul's mother, Rita, brought out some special Christmas cookies. They were shaped like stars and candy canes. The friends ate them all up. Then, it was time to exchange gifts. Bubul gave Jontu a new toy car, and Jontu gave Bubul a book about dinosaurs. Thank you, they all said. They had so much fun celebrating together. As they played with their new toys, they talked about all the fun things they would do next. This is the best Christmas ever, Bubul said, and his friends agreed.